In the last video, we talked about the Compliance Reporter Standalone Edition. We interrogated all of our computers in a set and made a snapshot. And if those computers were on, that's great. But if any of my computers were off when I made that snapshot, then that would have been a problem, since they wouldn't be online and wouldn't be there to interrogate. So Compliance Reporter Server changes all of that. Compliance Reporter Server enables what's called Auditing Mode, and you set it up by going to Settings and click on Audit Setup. I've already done that to make this go a little faster. Now your endpoints don't have to be online at the same time you are for you to know what's going on or what previously happened on the machine. You can simply click on any of these pre-configured reports that demonstrate exactly what's happening everywhere in your whole domain. So for instance, you can see that Win8 Computer 32 was previously logged on by the administrator, and then you can click on that settings report right here and get the group policy results report right here. So all this data is being fed in real time across your network. And the best part is there's no client-side agent or software installed. The way that this works is that on any given machine, I'll go ahead and show you how this works. If you go to My Computer Manage, we deliver a scheduled task using group policy right here. There's our scheduled task called the Group Policy Compliance Reporter Auditor. And whenever group policy triggers, so for instance, if I were to go on this machine and run GP update or log off or log back on, after group policy applies, automatically in the background, after the user logs on, about a minute later, that data shows up right here in our Compliance Reporter server. So now that the data is here on the server, it's super easy to continue the stuff you already know how to do. You simply click on Tests, you create the tests that you want to, click on Results, and you can pick a test that's important to you, pick an RSOP source, which can be a snapshot if you wanted to, or it can be a pre-configured report that has all the computers in it, and you can interrogate all of your computers at once against what's happening in real time. So in this case, you can see that all of my computers are compliant, but 2 of my users are compliant and 2 of them aren't. If I take a look, I can see that I've got a problem and I can easily fix it. So the Group Policy Compliance Reporter server's goal is to, without any agents at all or anything installed on your endpoint computers, throw the data to the server for you to figure out what's going on all of your machines, define what compliance looks like for you, and automatically determine which computers and users are compliant or not. If you want to get started with the Group Policy Compliance Reporter server, it's easy to do. Just go ahead and connect with us, and we'll get you the bits, and you can try it real soon. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.